Raju was a boy from a small town. After his father's sudden death, his family's conditions worsened. His mother started working in houses, and Raju began washing dishes at a hotels.
Hey Raju, move your hands faster. Are you here to work or to daydream?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
While washing dishes, Raju looked outside the kitchen as street vendors was happily making eggs omelets on a course. A crowd had gathered. People were enjoying the
This
food.
work looks easy and fun. If I do something like this, maybe I can earn more money. Let me think more about it.
That day, Raju went home and talked to his mother about it.
Mom, can I say something?
Yes, son, tell me.
I want to quit working at the hotel. I want to sell egg omelets.
What? Where did this idea come from?
Mom, actually,
And son, where will you get the money for a cart?
just listen to me, Mom. I wasn't need a cart. I'll sell them on a bicycle. I only need eggs and bread.
His mother thought for a while, then took out a cloth from the cupboards. Inside there were some crumpled notes. She placed them in Raju's hands.
This was your father's savings. I had kept it for you. Take it and start your work.
Raju touched his mother's feet and thanks her. From the very next day, he started selling eggs omelets.
Hot omelets, spicy and delicious eggs.
Hey, look, here comes the Eggman.
Oh, this boy was washing dishes at the hotel and now he's selling eggs.
Raju hears everything but just smiles, continues focusing on his work. Slowly, people started like his omelette.
We thought he wouldn't succeed, but Raju's omelets are really, really tasty. Yes, that's true.
Raju's success, Guddu's Halwais becomes worried because his customers was going to Raju instead. These boys,
This boy is ruining my business. People are eating his omelets instead of my samosas and kachoris.
Sir, then stop him.
You are right. I have to do something.
those give us signals and his man grabs Raju's cycles and smashed it into pieces. Raju stood watch in shops.
Hey, what you have done?
Now try selling omelette.
Guddus walks away laughing, but Raju's eyes did not have tears, only determination. He looked at his broken cycles and made a decision.
You broke my bicycle, but you can't break my spirit. Just wait and watch.
Drew sold his bus as scrap.
Here you go, son. This is all you'll get for it.
Raju looked at the monies, then added sums from his pockets. He then goes to a second-hand bike shops nearby.
Brother, what's the cheapest bike you have?
Cheap. I have a 10-year-old bike, but still runs. I'll give it to you for 5,000.
Raju hesitated for a moment, then he goes to his friend Mohan.
Rohan, can you lend me some money? I'll return it in a month.
No need to ask, buddy. Take it.
Rohan gave him 4,000 and Raju added the remaining 1,000 from his saving to buy the bike.
Wow, this omelette is amazing.
Yes, brother. This is my special recipe.
Really? I have never had an omelette like this before.
Gradually, Raju became famous. People came from far away to eat his omelets, but it was just the fast that made him special. He had another unique tricks here.
Here you go, brother. Your hot omelette. And here is today's fun joke.
With every omelette, Raju gave a small notes. Sometimes it had a funny jokes and sometimes an inspiring message. People read then laughing and appreciates him.
The best way to win an argument with your wife Don't argue at all. Raju, you're quite the smart guy.
Brother, food shouldn't just fill the stomach. It should make people happy too.
Everyone started pressing Raju's omelets and his spices jokes kept bringing customers bags, but Guddu Halwais could not digest Bigan's success.
Tripathi ji, this boy will ruin our business. People used to love my samosas and kachoris earlier, but now they are eating his omelets. A poor boy rising to success? We can't let that happen. Then let's do one thing. We'll spread false rumors about him.
Together, they started spreading rumors against Raju.
I heard Raju uses cheap and unhealthy oil. And his eggs, he buys the lowest quality ones.
Yes, I've heard his food is not good for health.
Slowly, as people start avoiding Raju's, his customers decreased. Seeing these Guddus and trophies became every happier, but they did not stop there. They beat up merchants officers to get Raju bike confused.
Raju, you don't have a license for this business. We received complaints that you use bad ingredients. Also, your bike is stolen.
No, sir, that's not true.
Raju watched happilessly and his bike was taken away. He went home and told his mother everything.
Mom, they took my bike. I can't do anything now. Everything is over.
Son, after every storm, there is a rainbow. You will rise again. Hard work and honesty always win.
Raju listens to his mother's words and started thinking these times he took a bank loans and without delays bought a brand new Ford trucks to take his business to the next levels.
Wow, Raju doesn't have a cart anymore. He has a full food truck.
This boy is amazing. No matter what happens, he never gives up.
His omelette is as great as his determination.
People praised Raju, but Guddu, Halwais and trophies were too furious. People had now completely forgotten about their shops, so these times they plant something bigger.
Now this boy's food truck will destroy us completely. This time, we won't just ruin his shop. We'll make him disappear. We have to kidnap Raju.
Have to kidnap Raju as they were plotting to kidnap Raju. A boy was passing by. He overheard their plans. He went straight to Raju.
Raju Bhaiya, be careful. Guddu and Tripathi are planning to kidnap you. What? I heard it myself. They are coming for you tonight.
Raju thought for a moment, then a smile appeared on his face because he had a plans in mind.
All right, let them come. I'll be ready. They don't know me.
Evening came. Raju was about to close his food trucks when suddenly Guddus and trophies stopped out from the shadows.
Where are you going, Raju? Come with us. We tried to shut your business down, but you kept rising. Now we'll make sure you never rise again.
Guddus and trophies tried to grab Raju's, but he quickly steps back and landed a strong punch right on Guddus' face.
He's fighting back.
You broke my cycle, ruined my reputation, got my bike taken away, and now you want to kidnap me? Enough is enough.
Guddus and trophies attack Raju's together, but this time Raju's was not alone. A few customers standing nearby saw everything.
Hey, they are attacking Raju.
Not this time. Let's help him.
People rushed to spot Raju's. Guddus and trophies were surrounded. Suddenly, the flash reds and blues lights of a police car appeared.
Police. How they know about it?
Guddu and Tripathi, you are under arrest.
Sir, this is a misunderstanding. We were just...
Quite. Raju had already informed us.
You thought I would fall into your trap. I called the police before you even arrived. No, no, please.
The police officers handcuffs Guddus and Travis.
Let's go to the station. You have a lot to answer for.
Guddus and Travis face turns pale. The crowd clears for Raju's.
Raju, you are not just a great cook, you are a real fighter. You always rise.
Raju smiles from that day. His food truck became even more famous. Slowly, he expanded and built an entire chain of omelets restaurants. Raju provides that with hard work and encourage anyone can change their destinies.